safety inspections are entirely automated, with zero risk to human life. This isn't a far-off dream, but a potential reality, thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize chemical safety inspections. By integrating AI with other technologies such as drones and Internet of Things devices, we could conduct remote inspections without endangering human lives. Drones could scan vast chemical plants, capturing high-resolution images and videos. AI algorithms could then analyze these visuals, identifying potential safety violations, leaks, or structural issues more accurately than the human eye could ever manage. But that's not all. AI holds the promise of predictive analytics, a game-changer in the safety inspection field. By analyzing historical data and real-time inputs from IoT sensors, AI could forecast potential safety issues before they occur. It's like having a crystal ball that warns us about future safety hazards, allowing us to take preventive measures and avoid catastrophes. The benefits of integrating AI into chemical safety inspections are multifold. First, there's the significant improvement in safety. With AI and drones at the helm, human inspectors won't need to expose themselves to hazardous chemicals or dangerous environments. Second, think about the cost savings. Automated inspections could drastically reduce the time and resources spent on routine checks, not to mention the potential savings from preventing accidents. Finally, there's the efficiency factor. AI can work around the clock without tiring, ensuring continuous monitoring and faster anomaly detection. This means less downtime, quick responses, and overall, a more streamlined and efficient safety inspection process. While the full potential of AI in chemical safety inspections is yet to be realized, one thing is clear. AI is set to transform this field, making our world a safer place. As we step into the future, we can look forward to a time when safety inspections are not just about identifying and reacting to risks, but predicting and preventing them. And that's a future worth striving for.